Well, my latest pair of sneakers is my first from ASICS. This is the Kith ASICS GEL-LYTE III Remastered Super Yellow. Scored these on the Kith app my first time using it, and I was fortunate enough to score this drop, the 100th collaboration between Kith and ASICS. Kith is creation of Ronnie Fieg, stock boy from Queens who mastered the art of the sneaker drop, with this super yellow sneaker commemorating the opening of his flagship store in Miami. Those who copped in store were treated to a unique icon optional on their Kith app, and I noticed like a week after I got mine, it seems as though those that purchased online were able to also get the super yellow icon. The GEL-LYTE 3 has been around since 1990, but I haven't been seeing them, or maybe I just hadn't noticed. The gel technology is maybe more gimmick, it's just a little insert in the heel, but the EVA foam is springy enough that I think that you won't find these to be too stiff. Now, of course, this isn't exactly Nike Zoom X, Adidas Boost, or New Balance's Fuel Cell. It's not going to be as springy as today's modern running shoe. And so these retro styles are brought back more for aesthetic purposes. Super Yellow comes in a little darker in gray than I think one would have picked up in the pictures, and I'm totally okay with that. Suede abounds. I think this is actual leather on the ASICS. Look, I'm new to ASICS. What do you call this? Their emblem, symbol, logo. Reflective touches, 3 varieties of laces, and a split tongue, which this is my first time encountering this. I think it's pretty cool. I don't see why we can't have this on more shoes. The split tongue makes ingress and egress easy, but at the same time, maybe it's a little tough to securely close the shoe. I ordered these in my true to size 10. The GEL-LYTE 3 Remastered are not exactly wide, so I used a thinner sock than normal. These Adidas no-shows are perfect. Styled these with some pine-colored joggers from Cuts, and headed off to the grocery store, looking stylish, good comfort, no cramping in the toe box, and I appreciate a solid uniform outsole, no squeaking. Not overly plush, but not unpleasant, not anything particularly noticeable. I think that if you keep wearing these as something of a daily driver on good weather, you're not going to see a lot in the way of wear. I think that suede generally holds up well in this regard. Now, I realize these are not exactly going for even retail prices anymore at StockX, but hey, buy them while you can. This splash of bright yellow really sets these off. I realize Kith and ASICS have been at this for a while, but I feel like Super Yellow is going to be the coolest colorway. It's really the only one I've seen that I would actually wear. So what do you think of Super Yellow? Should I keep these default laces, which I'm enjoying? Should I swap them out? Would you wear this pair? Let me know in the comments below. Please like, share, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications.
Hey, it's Vaughn's mom again, so I just wanted to remind you that instead of buying Vaughn's weird pictures online in various states of undress, you can just bookmark his Amazon affiliate link, and then when you shop, throw it on Amazon, he gets a few pennies here and there.